everybody. Yes, this is Mr. Mark. Today I am going to teach the topic which is about speaking IELTS part 2. It is most important for you who are concerned about the speaking class according to part number 2. Right. In IELTS speaking part 2, some instruction on the topic card. It is known as cue card. You have 1 minute to read the instruction and prepare your answer. Then you must speak for 1 or 2 minutes on that topic. Okay, today we will look at 3 example questions. Each question deals with a different time frame, on past, on present, and on future event. Try answering these questions yourself first and then compare the sample answers below, which is very much important for you. Okay, part number first here. For each questions you have 1 minute to prepare your answer, and you should then speak for 1 to 2 minutes time. Let's see model question for you. Describe a major decision you have taken in your life. Let's see here. You should say what the decision was, what other choices were available to you. Okay, this type of questions you can have to know. And let's suppose model question number 2. Describe something you to do forgot about your study or work. You should say what the activity is, how often you do it, how it helps you forget, and you say whether you would recommend other people try to same thing. Likewise, question number 3. Describe a language you would like to learn. You should say what the language is, where it is spoken, why you were interested in this type of language, and say if you think you will ever actually have the chance to learn it. Like that way you can have idea about the speaking part number to model possible answer. Let's see the question first. Describe a major decision you have taken in your life. Alright, you should say what the decision was, what other choices were available to you, why you made the decision you did, and explain if you think the decision was a good one. Now the model answer, possible answer I mean. A really important decision I have made recently is to study abroad, which is the reason I am here talking to you now. No one from my family has ever had the chance to study abroad before. My parents were actually hoping I'd start working for our family textile business as well as I graduate over there. I think it's too tough to run such type of business. I really want to study marketing, especially fashion marketing and English, so I can sell our company products to buyers all over the world. If I study fashion marketing in the UK, I can learn how to do business in the fashion industry, which is of course very competitive and fast moving. As far whether it was the right decision, I'm pretty confident it was, and I can't change my mind now anyway. Okay, because I borrowed money from my parents to pay for my tuition. I'm going to do my best to finish my course, and I will go back to my country with new ideas that will help expand our business. Okay, this type of questions might ask, and you can have idea to possible answer saying this. Likewise, many more questions will be asked in part number 2. This is on deal with an event or action in the past. There is, however, a switch to the present when the candidate is required to reflect on your decision. Some tips, very important tips to be score high. Let's see. This IELTS candidate scores highly by getting straight to the point and saying what the decision was in the very first sentence. Number 2 tips, paraphrasing the topic, a really important decision. Number 3 tips, using a ranges of tenses, past simple, present simple, and present perfect with great accuracy. Very much important, my dear student. Okay, using a wide range of grammatical forms such as conditional sentence. If I, okay, you can use different three type of conditional sentences. Okay, and a clipped sentence. All I need now is dot dot dot, like that clipped sentence is called. Signaling part of the questions is for whether it was the right decision. Okay, avoiding over formality and using, okay, expressions such as actually and pretty that are appropriate to conversational style, providing a summarizing sentence to wrap up these responses. It is most important for you. Okay, I will provide you more sample answer in my next upcoming time video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel and all notification to be notified first. Please share this video toward your concerned person. Okay, thank you for watching.